Let's take a look at these Guofis angle stop valves that I picked up on Amazon. And if you're one of those people who live in a home with toilets and faucets, you sometimes need plumbing supplies, but buying online might seem a little dicey because you don't know what you'll get. So you run to the big bad orange box and pay 2 or 3 or 4 times more for the exact same thing. And that's actually what I recommend to my friends who have too much money. But personally, I don't mind skipping the drive and the store and the self-checkout and the high prices. Instead, I found these angle stop valves that I needed. And just to line this up, it's a pretty standard angle stop valve replacement for your sink or toilet. It has a 1/2 inch nominal inlet and a 3/8 inch outlet. There are compression rings or ferrules or olives or whatever you like to call them on both sides with tightening nuts. And the valve only takes a quarter turn to either open or close. So, okay, yeah, they look okay, but what else can we say about these? Well, they're ANSI 61 certified. ANSI 61 is most commonly referring to NSF slash ANSI slash Canadian 61, which is the American and Canadian national standards for drinking water system components. It ensures that materials like pipes and valves and coatings do not leach harmful chemicals or contaminants like lead into potable water. So that's a very, very good thing. And your old angle stop valves can get pretty corroded and worn over the years. And once you realize that you need to replace one, then you start noticing that pretty much every valve in your home is ready to go. So it only makes sense to buy in bulk. And you can end up saving a lot of money by planning ahead and tackling the project as a whole home project instead of just one by one. And honestly, it really cleans up the look of a bathroom and makes the house feel a lot newer and cleaner. So if you're looking to buy a couple of these, maybe just take a full inventory of everything you might like to upgrade because you'll end up saving a lot of money. But these valves are terrific. And don't worry, they're not cheap or plastic or low quality. The valve is super heavy and solid, and the compression ring is made of real brass, so it'll hold the seal and do the job for years and years. And if you haven't already, skip the pliers and the wrenches and instead invest a few dollars into good tools to do the job right. Get one of those little angle stop valve kits that make angle stop valve replacement so easy and fast and damage free. I'll put a link in the description below for both the valves and the toolkit. But I hope this short video has helped you decide if these Guofis angle stop valves are right for you, and thanks for watching.